Guys, so I am going to show you how to make the apple cider vinegar shots for every morning. That way you have it in the refrigerator. So I'm using this bottle, okay? It's around half a cup of apple cider vinegar. So this is the one that I use. Make sure it has the mother in it, that it says with the mother. That way you get the most nutrients out of it. So for this little bottle right here is half a cup, or if you need it better, it's 100 ml, okay? So what we're going to do, we're gonna add the cayenne pepper. So for since we're going to make it ahead of time, we are going to need 1 whole teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Oh, I cannot get it out. Inside there. Okay, there it is. Okay, make sure I get it out slowly. 1, I'm gonna drop it there. Okay, and then we are going to add 1 of the ginger powder. If you have turmeric, you can also add 1 teaspoon of it. Okay, then we're going to mix it all together. Make sure everything is well incorporated, so you get all the nutrients in it. So we're gonna get a closer look at it, see how it looks. So we're gonna mix it all, and then we're gonna put it in the cup. Okay, so now it's all mixed. I'm gonna put a little napkin here so I don't make a mess. I'm gonna put it in. So now what you're going to do is you're just gonna close it. You make sure you label it so you know what it is in the refrigerator. So you're just gonna close it. In the mornings, you are going to add 1 tablespoon of this mix to 1/4 cup of water. I dilute it in water. If you want to take it as a shot, it's completely fine. So if you have turmeric, just make sure to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric to it. And to drink it in the morning, warm up the 1/4 cup of water. Add 1 tablespoon of this little elixir right here, and then you mix it up and you drink it. Usually it will take you 2 gulps to drink it, so before you eat anything in the mornings. All right, thank you guys.